There's a snowstorm of Southern Oregon, 2019. Went to town, get myself a morning cup of coffee and some biscuits and gravy. So I left kind of late last night. Didn't come back up because I didn't think I'd make it. Last night when I came out, this was all just white. I was the first one to have tire tracks through it while the snow was still coming down. This is where that's all. Floated across that bridge. Going about 42 right now. It's about as fast as I want to go. Hopefully I can keep going as fast. Hopefully conditions don't degenerate from here, but the further out you go, the less traffic goes there, and look up that road right there. Wish I had a little bit better of a setup so the camera didn't shake. Better than what I used to have. I wired the camera up. I have a mount this time, so at least I can kind of get a good dash video going. See if we see any cars in the ditches without making ourselves one of them. Shockers over there, that works. This is good for our area down here. We've been having some nasty droughts last quite a few years. And a late snow like this, being in February, maybe the snow in the higher elevations will stick around until springtime and give us some of that spring melt. Usually don't get that. And a good snow like this, if our creeks will keep running into July. Without this snow, they quit running as soon as it quits raining. About May. But yeah, we can keep water till July or August if we get some snow like this. Exciting video. You don't see anybody in the ditches. It means that people have learned in the last few years how to drive a little better in this stuff. A lot of the people around here from out of the area moved here for the marijuana industry over the last 10 years or so. Some of them are from, you know, climates that are used to this stuff. A lot of New Yorkers and East Coast guys come out here to do this. But then there's a lot of Californians and people come from everywhere. With that entrepreneur spirit, trying to be a marijuana cultivator. If you've ever seen a video of Nugget the cat, that's Picker the cat, that's Nugget's baby. And he is I know he wants to just see what's going on out there. Ooh. Had to let the foot off the gas there and glide over that. If I would have used any throttle there, I was about to slide my ass in now. Feel it floating. The road is getting worse. Any better. I'm wrecking. Well, I'm alright. My truck's probably alright, but I'm in the ditch. I've got a tow strap, maybe somebody will yank me out here. That sucks. Ugh, first time I've ever done that. See what it looks like. Ugh, that's nasty. Lucky too. I'm gonna have to bend down that fence post to get off of it. Pull out my... Wow. See, only going about 40 miles an hour, so, you know, might have hurt if I hit that post, but anyways, I know y'all are gonna be interested to see the tow out and stuff, but I need to turn this off and get my shit out.